This here is Christmas Town. This is a really cool village. First, there was no railroad because they didn't invent railroad because we didn't own any trains. It's been 700 years later, and now we have enough money to own a railroad, and it always stops right here. It's a pretty long railway, though. From here, all the way to like. Anyways, let's just go continue on our movie. All started. It was a nice Christmas morning. This is really deep snow. Ow, I fell down. I'm just gonna wait for the train. I'm just gonna lay down. I hope nobody knocks you down whack. Do you hear that? Oh no! Runaway freight cars! Ah! Ow. No! That took me 40 months and 44 days to build that fence. Will he fix it? Or will he never fix it again? Find out on part 2. Goodbye.